Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a pretty cool truck. It's a 1940 Chevy, but it's not your average Chevy. We got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Cliff?
Good.
Cool.
I bought this truck out of Arkansas off the original family of the one owner who was a pilot. He grew up in Vermont, and Canada, as you know, entered into World War II a little bit before America did, and they sent out flyers around the area that they were looking to train anybody to become a pilot. So this guy jumped over the border, and he joined the Royal Canadian Air Force. And while he was doing his time, he had 7 kills, so that made him eligible to be called an ace.
Cool.
So after getting out of the service, he moved to Arkansas, where he did crop dusting, aerial photography, and he belonged to a group of guys, ex-vets, and they were called the Daredevil Ace Group, and they did barnstorming, you know,
Shows and things like that.
Cool. Up in the sky, and like I said, his family had the truck, and actually, when I bought it, there was a piece of gum on the hood. Now anybody could put a piece of gum on the hood, but the family told me that every time he went out in his plane, he stuck a piece of gum on the hood of his truck. And one day he was crop dusting in Alabama, him and his dog. Dog was always in the plane with him. And as he come up at the end and went to circle around the field, he hit some high tension wires, and him and his dog were electrocuted and dead before the plane crashed.
Oh man.
So when I did get the truck finally hauled back here, there was a piece of gum on the hood. And this truck sat in my garage for a while, and I took it out one hot day, and I had it out in the sun, and the gum melted. Now anybody could have put that gum there, and there's still a mark if you come over here, and that's where the gum was.
Right on the tip. Very cool.
The propeller was not original. I added that. I found that in an antique store, and I thought it would make a great grill guard.
Sure, great homage to the truck too, you know.
The motor is updated. It's from a 1998 Nova.
Straight 6.
It's got 500 miles on it since we built this truck, which has been frame off. It's got power steering, power brakes.
It's got a power Rack-N-Pinion steering. Was the Mustang 2 up front?
Mustang 2 up front.
Drives like a dream with that, huh?
It does, nice and smooth.
Yeah.
New aluminum radiator system. It's totally rewired. We pulled it off the frame, all new mounts, and it has Sirius radio. You can't go nowhere without Sirius radio.
Yeah, you gotta have Sirius.
So you throw on some 40 tunes and you cruise down the road, and there you are back in 1940.
Cool. Still got the 6-volt system, but it's got a lot of wattage in that system. You got LED tail lights and reverse lights, I noticed.
Yep.
Signal indicators.
I do 70 miles an hour on the highway with no problem, and I probably could do 90, but do you really want to do that?
No. Just got to keep up with everybody, that's all.
A lot of people say, geez, I wish it was a V8, and honestly, I don't think you would. You don't need that power, and the heat in the cab would be unbearable.
Yeah, I agree.
It's nice, the windshields, all the glass opens and closes, the windshield opens. It's like driving a motorcycle.
That's cool.
We gave it a lime wash, and all I've ever done to this truck is put a little WD-40 on it once or twice a year, and it brings out the lettering, because if the truck is out in the sun all the time, you'd be surprised the lettering just tends to fade a little bit. But as soon as you hit it with the WD-40 and that patina pops up, the doors open and close nice, they're solid.
Got new inner panels, looks pretty cool. Love the seat. It's like a woven, it's vinyl, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like leather.
And we even got a spot for your drinks, because you can't go nowhere without having something to drink.
Oh, of course not. Need that and your satellite radio. Dolphin gauges, nice high-end gauges, water, temp, volts, oil pressure, and fuel.
The windshield wiper system is updated. I forget the name, what it's called. They're like $600 and $700 a piece, all mechanical, and you could be in a blinding rainstorm and you're going to be fine. You have 2 speeds.
I like the plane. Very cool.
Very dependable truck. You can go anywhere and you will get 100,000 looks.
Sure.
If you don't like to talk to people, don't buy this truck.
Can you fire it up?
Sure.
brake lights. Can you hit the brake lights?
Sure.
Nice bright LEDs. The middle one is the backup. Cool. 10-bolt rear in the back. Can we take it for a buzz around the block?
Sure.
Yeah, let's just close the hood. He made these hood holders too out of wood. There's also one up here. It's cool how he has like upside down, and it's literally upside down. Pretty neat. Disc up front
Yes.
and drum in the rear, right?
Yes.
Man, it's great with the open windshield, huh?
Love it.
Satellite radio, gotta have it.
Blinkers on the dash. Your indicators light up. It even has hazards.
It's hot today, it's about 90 degrees.
Very
Wind
hot.
feels nice coming through the windshield. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.